Good everyone, welcome to another section of our training. I still remain Dollar Graphics. So today we'll be learning how to add auto captions and how to reduce our sound length in this video. So for you to add captions to your video, that is text, before you start or pick any video, you click on this place, which is captions. So immediately you click on that, you then move to the video you want to add captions to. So I'll be adding captions to this video now. So I click on add. So this is what you are going to see. So let's wait for this to load, and you need a good internet connection to do this. So you can click on any animations you want here, but I like using this first one, which is this. So you click on it. After clicking on it, you click on start. So you wait for it to create the caption. And this caption means adding the text of whatever you are saying inside your video. So that's what the auto caption does. So let's wait for that to finish loading. Remember, you need a very good internet connection to do this. So can you see that? So let's listen to this.
I welcome all the indefatigable life builders to this wonderful. I want to expose you to the importance of graphic design to school development.
So can you
Don't
see
miss
that?
it.
Good. Now you can edit your text. Let's do that.
I welcome all the indefatigable life.
Okay, so you can edit your text by clicking style, which is below here. When you click on style, you can edit your text. So you can give it any animation you want. Can you see? Or any color you want. So I give it this second one. Then you can give it stroke or anything you want to give it. So these are just simple ways to edit your text. So you can just go through all this. If you want to make your text bold, you click on bold. You can see that, or you want to give it italics, or you want to underline it. So you can see that, but I'm not doing this. So you can also increase the size of your text. You can see when you drag this side, which is this one. So when you increase it, your text size your text size. Now for your stroke, which is this place, for you to increase your stroke thickness, you can just do that using this icon over here. So you can see that when I increase it, the stroke width is also increasing. So that's just how to increase your stroke width or the thickness of your stroke. So you can also make your text glow by clicking on this. So it depends on the type of text you are writing for you to be able to design your text properly. So you click on this sign. That's okay. So let us check that again.
I welcome all the indefatigable life builders to this wonderful training.
Can you see that?
Also, I want to expose you to the importance of graphic design to school development.
Good.
Don't miss it.
So that's how to add auto captions to your videos. Now for you to add sound and to reduce the length of the sound, so let's do that. So I want to add sound to this video. So I click on sound. For that to load. So I will be adding. Now you can see that this song is longer than the normal video. So what I will just do right now is click on the song. Can you see? Then you move to the end of this song. Now you click on this. So when you click on this, you drag it back. That is, you drag it to the left side to reduce it to the length of the video. So can you see this? So I don't want it to be too small, so you reduce it to the length of the video. Now let me play this.
I welcome all the
Now you can see that the song is too loud for the video. When you click on the song, you come below here, you can see something here which is volume. So you can click on volume, you can then reduce it over here.
I welcome all the
Can you see
indefatigable
that?
life builders to this wonderful training.
So
Also,
that's how
I want
to
to expose you to the
add
importance of
sound
graphic
and
design to
caption
school development.
video.
Don't miss
Thank
it.
you. See you in the next class.